This is the plaintiff, Omar de la Vega. He says he loaned his debit card to the defendant so we could get his car out of the impound. And that guy went on a spending spree, and now we can't get him to pay him back the money he's owed. That's right, he foolishly trusted him because he was a friend of the family. But now he's enemy number one because it's been 2 years and he hasn't been paid back. He's suing for $2,496, the money he's most certainly owed. This is the defendant, Elvin Santos. He says he was arrested on drug charges and his car got impounded, so he called his mother for help. His mother was the one who reached out to the plaintiff and he gave her his bank card. His mom then gave it to him to get his car out and told him he could use it for whatever he needed. He doesn't owe the plaintiff any money, his mother does. He's accused of being an ingrate.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket, the plaintiff loaned his debit card to the defendant so he could get his car out of impound and got stiffed. But the defendant says his mom reached out to the plaintiff, so he should deal with her. It's the case of MasterCard of his own destiny.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. De La Vega, you are friends, I guess, with the defendant's mother?
Correct.
How long have you been friends?
25 years.
Okay. And there have been different times where she has needed funds and she has come to you?
Correct.
Has she always had to pay you back?
She has never paid me back. I never asked her to pay me back.
Okay. So now, on a particular occasion, she came to you not asking for funds for herself, but asking for telling you about her son's problem. And what was her son's problem?
Basically, she told me that her son had a number of problems. One was a broken car, so he couldn't get to work. And the second one was that he had a lot of tickets. He had to make repairs to the car, and he was in a bad financial situation.
And so did you ever talk to him directly?
Yes, I actually spoke to him directly when I decided that I was going to help him out.
How did that work out? Tell me where and when that happened.
I believe I met him near his house, and we talked a little bit. He explained the problems that he was having. I was in the process of going away on vacation, so I told him, I'm going to give you my debit card, you use it, and when you finish using it or when I come back from vacation, you give it back to me.
Okay, and that was risky. You're giving him a debit card rather than a particular sum, or it just didn't matter to you how much he used?
No, it really didn't matter to you. I know this.
What if he went out and spent 10 grand?
No, I don't think he would have done that.
How well do you know him?
I know him for a long time.
How long?
The same amount of time that I know his mom, but it's not like I see his mom much more often than what I see him. He's a married guy. He's got family and all that.
Right.
So.
What happened, Mr. Santos? Why did you need money?
Well, one night I was on my way to work and I got pulled over.
For what?
They said my paperwork was expired.
Okay.
They would just sit. There was police cars sitting there. They noticed me and they started following me. I was on my way to work. They pulled me over, and then they smelled an odor and
An
they
odor
searched
of
the car.
what?
Marijuana.
So what'd they do? They impounded the car?
Yeah, they impounded the car. They took everything, and then I got arrested. I was there for a couple hours.
What were you arrested for?
For possession of marijuana.
How much marijuana?
Like 3 ounces, I think, something like that.
How did you get into possession of the card? Tell me how that went down. His card. Is it your card or it's actually your son's card?
It's actually my son's car.
Right, okay.
Well, after I got out, I started realizing all these tickets I got and the car situation, all that. I ain't really have it for all that. So my mother calls me. She tells me, I'm explaining to her everything, telling her I don't know what to do. She's like, all right, let me see what I could do. So she calls me maybe a couple of days later. She says she had a conversation with him and that he was willing to help. So I was like, all right, cool. So I just let me know whenever. So I get the debit card.
How'd you get the debit card?
I remember getting it from her. I don't remember getting it
You
from
never
her.
sat down and called him to thank him?
I texted him. I sent him text messages.
Let me see the text in your phone.
I can't because I threw my phone out last week.
Mm-hmm. How much did you charge on this man's debit card?
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Piece of garbage.
Thank you.
Yeah, seriously.
Appreciate it.
When you did not have your car impounded for all the tickets you also didn't pay, how do you get a bunch of tickets and get your car impounded and have the government? You know how it works? It works by you not paying your tickets. That's what the guy did.
That's not what happened.
That's how the car
That's
got
not what
impounded.
happened.
Well, either that or he smoked a marijuana inside the car. One or the other.
The tickets
It's
came
one
after.
or the other.
The tickets came after I was arrested.
What is your defense? My mom ought to pay him. Right?
I didn't ask for the money.
That's your defense.
It
I
is.
should go sue my mom.
I didn't ask for the
Your
money.
actual statement in response to his
told it to
lawsuit
you.
is
I just said
he
it to you.
needs to sue my mom.
I just said it to you. I didn't ask for the money.
He should sue your mom. He should go sue your mom.
I didn't ask for the money.
Okay, so the kid in this case is being sued, and he's saying, hey, sue my mother. She's the one that asked for it. Can the plaintiff sue the kid, or does he have to sue the mother?
I mean, if the mom is the one that went through the whole deal and everything, I mean, it seems like she would really be the one at fault. She just then gave
But the kid benefited, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but the mother, if the mother's the one who made the deal, and she's ultimately responsible for her kid, I would say the mother's responsible.
And so you have to sue the mother, not the kid. Really? You buying that?
Yeah, me too, man.
Okay, going inside the courtroom.
So you charge $2,496, and you wait. By the way, what year did all this stuff happen?
On 2017.
We're in 2020, and now's when you sue?
No, I started actually calling him around May 2019 because I never heard anything from him.
And
well, I got to talk to him one day, and he said to me, "Oh no, you know what? I've been having some more problems and this and that." He has a family. I understand that.
What a nice guy you are.
But I said to him, I said, "Look, I need the money now, so I did you a favor." So, so he said to me,
And what did
"Oh."
he say? Yeah?
No, he said to me, "No, actually, I get paid on the 15th, on the 30th, so give me a call."
Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you have any texts between you and him? on that?
Yes, I do.
Oh, let's see those.
I had like 2 or 3 tests.
Yeah, let's see your 2 or 3 texts. Thank you. Who's Goldo?
Him.
That's your nickname? Hello, Goldo. Hope you guys are good. You told me to talk to you on the 15th for some money. Then a month later, good morning, Goldo. Hope you guys are good. You told me to talk to you on the 15th for some money. Then on October 25th, hello, Goldo. Sorry to hear you're going through blank. I need you to show me some good faith by paying me $100 at a time. Just let me know when you're ready to do this, and please let me know you got this message. Did he ever answer you on any of it?
No.
I'm going to order you to pay the man $2,496, and I'm going to order you to pay all prejudgment interest since 2017. How old are you?
33.
What ended up happening with the criminal charges?
Dismissed.
Dismissed on account of what? What was the agreement?
Unconditional discharge.
Oh, see, that's how we produce this in the fine state of New Jersey. When you violate the law, and then what they look at you and they say, okay, so long as you don't violate the law anymore, that's what a conditional discharge is. Then we'll just throw the whole violation out. Just don't violate the law anymore, which is what you're supposed to have done to begin with, not violate the law. Okay.
That's the system.
No, I know.
That's the system in
I
place.
was criticizing the system. I was criticizing you earlier. Now I was criticizing the system.
That ain't my fault.
$2,496 plus prejudgment statutory interest since 2017. Verdict for the plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And leave your mother out of it. Not only do you have to whine and like a baby to your mother to get you out of your troubles, but then you throw your mother under the bus when someone sues you. Jeez.
Well, the plaintiff is going to get his money back plus interest, Mr. Santos. What are you thinking right now?
I'm not thinking absolutely anything. Exactly what I just said. I didn't ask for that money.
I mean, you're thinking like this is a joke, I mean, you spent the money, and he was nice enough to give you the
It's not a
debit
joke.
card.
It's not a joke. I'm not acting like it's a joke. It's just, it is what it is, right?
Good luck to you, all right?
Yes, sir.
Nice to see you. You are a nice guy. You're too nice. know that.
It's okay.
Have you learned anything from this? I mean, you've been a long time. Come on.
Sort of, yes.
I hope so.
I have a good nature.
You were too good a guy to be taken advantage of, really.
Yeah,
Since
that's
you're-
true.
So,
No. I'm really upset at him because he wouldn't even call me to tell me.
Obviously,
I'll give you $100 once in a while. This
Didn't
and that.
work.
Nothing. No.
well, congratulations and thank you very much. All
Thank
right,
you, sir.
You must sign a few documents on your way out of the courtroom. There's one for the books. Harvey, what do you think?
Well, Doug, I mean, look, the mother did this on behalf of the kid, and in a way, the mother was acting as the kid's agent. So because of that, because the mother's acting as the kid's agent, kid's responsible.